You're listening to the Spiritual Health Experience.
Just start by finding a quiet place and sitting down in a comfortable position, your feet on the floor, your hands in your lap, and just gently closing down your eyes. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. Just transitioning from where you were a few moments ago to where you are right now. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now just visualizing a beautiful, warm, golden light above your head. This spacious, warm light slowly drifts downwards to your eyebrows, your eyes, your temples. It's just gently touching your ears, your jaw, your nose, your lips, and your chin. Letting it drift down further, your throat, your neck, the back of your neck, and the tops of your shoulders. This beautiful, warm, spacious, golden light melts away any tension that you could be holding in your shoulders. This light now flows down your arms towards your elbows, your wrists, your palms, and filling up your fingers. Bringing the beautiful warm light now down your chest, your upper back, your lower back, and your stomach. If you notice any heat or tension here, this beautiful warm light just gently melts away the tension as you drift off into relaxation. The light goes down towards your hips and your pelvis, and gently circling down your thighs towards your knees, your feet, and your toes. Just watching as your body is filled up with this beautiful, bright, spacious golden light as all tension has melted away. Then when you're ready, bringing your attention back into the room, wiggling your toes and your fingers, and gently opening up your eyes, and just thanking yourself for taking the time out to meditate. Have a beautiful day.